You've heard of ChatGPT, it's taking over the internet. You've probably even used it. Artificial intelligence is taking a quantum leap forward, which means ChatGPT is already outdated. Join us as we look at the 5 AI technologies that are significantly more powerful than ChatGPT. As we continue to stride into an increasingly digitized era, it's a race to the top for technologies vying for the leading edge in the AI landscape. Groundbreaking tools and platforms are making waves, pushing the boundaries of what was once thought possible, transforming industries, and redefining our interaction with technology. Among them, we find an elite selection, a suite of AI marvels that are not only standing shoulder to shoulder with the likes of ChatGPT, but are going a step further, raising the bar and outperforming in fascinating ways. In the forthcoming list, we have carefully curated 5 such AI technologies, each bringing a unique set of capabilities and innovative advancements to the table. The collection boasts a range of applications, from simplifying complex tasks to creating lifelike visual content, from generating human-like text to managing workflows autonomously. Each entrant is ushering in a new era of automation and innovation, redefining how we interact with AI, and driving a paradigm shift in our understanding of AI's potential. Number 4 will change the world as we know it yet again. Stay tuned as we give you a glimpse at this next-level innovation, and give you a first glimpse at what is coming. Google Bard. Google Bard, with its distinct attributes, stands as a robust contender in the AI realm, holding an upper hand over its competitor, ChatGPT. Firstly, Bard's real-time internet access is a defining edge that allows it to dispense fresh, current information, unlike ChatGPT, whose knowledge base is static and limited to data collected up until 2021. Bard's knack for generating responses akin to a human distinguishes it in crucial areas like customer service, education, and entertainment. By delivering engaging and instructive communication, but understanding current events, it excels in recreating the nuances of human conversation, which is a considerable advancement from ChatGPT's capabilities. Another compelling feature of Bard is its significantly faster response time. It presents to you 3 variations of answers with a quick, easy way to switch between them before ChatGPT has even finished writing one answer. Adding a cherry on top, Bard's full free accessibility allows everyone to explore its power and potential. Its no-cost model is a boon for those seeking a potent yet affordable AI chatbot, making it more appealing than its competitors, including ChatGPT, where access can be restricted on the free tier. In conclusion, Google Bard is a dynamic AI chatbot, surpassing ChatGPT with its direct and quick internet access. Powered by Google, you know it will only get better and better as time goes on. If you are seeking a conversational AI tool that's up to the minute, delivers human-like interaction, and is user-friendly, Bard is indeed a perfect choice. Its robustness and versatility, coupled with its free usage, make it a superior option, setting new benchmarks in the AI chatbot landscape. Claude by Anthropic. Introducing Claude, a versatile large language model developed by Anthropic, showing a clear resemblance to ChatGPT, yet possessing distinctive features. Claude's extensive dataset includes both text and code, facilitating a broad range of tasks from text generation in numerous styles like fiction, non-fiction, and poetry, to translation among 100+ languages, coding in various programming languages, text summarization, and comprehensive question answering. Despite its ongoing development, Claude is already utilized by notable companies, offering a glimpse into its potential capabilities. Tokens play a pivotal role in the distinction between Claude and ChatGPT. A token in this context represents a collection of letters. Claude's superiority over ChatGPT arises due to it being able to handle significantly more tokens in each request. It has an impressive 100,000 token limit. This is equivalent to around 75,000 words. This upper limit per request is one of Claude's standout features, allowing users to pose more complex questions or requests like summarizing an entire book or scripting a full-length blog post. The beauty of this feature lies in Claude's algorithm, which intelligently breaks down each request into multiple smaller requests, processes them separately, and stitches the results back together into a single comprehensive response. Although larger requests could take more time and resources to process, leading to occasional failures, the benefits far outweigh the cons. Users can expect detailed and informative responses, and apply Claude to a broader spectrum of tasks, ultimately making the 100K token limit a major breakthrough in AI language model capability. The impact of Claude's capabilities has already begun to ripple across industries as a handful of renowned companies have started to exploit its potential. Notion, a productivity application, employs Claude to generate summaries of user documents. Quora leverages Claude's prowess in providing informative answers to user queries. Moreover, DuckDuckGo, a search engine, utilizes Claude to generate extensive summaries of search results, further extending its reach. Trained on a dataset over 100 times larger than ChatGPT, Claude shows a superior understanding of the world, delivering more accurate responses. This, combined with its versatility, reliability, and capability to handle complex tasks, places Claude a step ahead of ChatGPT, rendering it a powerful and flexible AI tool. Whether you seek text generation, language translation, coding, text summarization, or comprehensive answers to challenging questions, Claude emerges as the ultimate choice in AI chatbots. AutoGPT. What happens when you give ChatGPT some autonomy to execute its own tasks? Meet AutoGPT, the next step in AI's evolution. This tool was developed with a focus on autonomy rather than interactivity, setting it apart from models like ChatGPT. At its core, it leverages the internet and amass information, making it highly resourceful when completing tasks. You instruct it, such as, "Find me a place for dinner downtown in New York." It then breaks down the tasks into subtasks and enacts them. Taking autonomy to new heights, AutoGPT can even write its own code and debug that code. For example, it can function as an autonomous Twitter bot, tweeting completely on your behalf, responding to other people, and interacting completely autonomously. AutoGPT's capabilities aren't confined to text and code alone. With the extensive array of plugins, it can understand both written and spoken language. This makes it a potential game-changer in fields such as supply chain management, business development, customer service, personalized recommendations, marketing, and advertising. It is proficient at analyzing language context and meaning, paving the way for innovative applications in multiple sectors. Unlike ChatGPT, AutoGPT is designed for autonomous functioning, freeing it from reliance on user inputs. This attribute allows AutoGPT to complete tasks independently, a leap ahead of ChatGPT, which requires user interaction to operate. However, it's crucial to note that AutoGPT is currently being developed and an open-source product. While this signifies the potential for exciting advancements and improvements, it could also mean occasional bugs or limitations. In contrast, ChatGPT is a more mature product, having undergone rigorous iterations and improvements, although admittedly still in beta. Despite being a work in progress, AutoGPT has already demonstrated immense potential across various tasks. It promises to revolutionize our interaction with computers, offering autonomous solutions for various needs. It is an AI model to watch as it continues to evolve and redefine the boundaries of what conversational AI can achieve. LangChain. Welcome to the world of LangChain, an open-source software development framework specially crafted to facilitate the creation of applications using large language models, LLMs. Why is this a game-changer? Because it is creating AI agents that work together to achieve common goals. For example, creating an AI-powered hedge fund with different AI agents undertaking different roles is now possible. You can have researchers, analysts, fund managers, and quants all AI created, all autonomous, all working together to achieve the common goal. It is a game changer and the next step in AI evolution. From a developer perspective, one of the key strengths of LangChain is the considerable time and effort it saves when building next-generation AI tools. It eliminates the need to understand and work with varying LLM APIs by offering a unified interface. In addition, the suite of tools and libraries it offers simplifies the process of crafting complex applications. Performance enhancement is another substantial advantage that LangChain offers. It employs techniques such as caching and batching to optimize LLM performance, leading to a noticeable increase in application speed compared to those interacting directly with LLMs. As an open-source framework, LangChain is not only free to use, but can be modified to suit developers' needs better, allowing for greater customization. It certainly will be the foundation for many incredible technologies in our near future. LangChain, similar to AutoGPT, is an open-source software development framework for LLMs. However, it's important to note a few crucial differences. AutoGPT is specifically crafted for GPT-style LLMs, offering features tailored for such models like GPT-style prompts and decoding. AutoGPT is also more restrictive than LangChain, only allowing one AI agent to be created and utilized at a time. In conclusion, LangChain demonstrates the next stage in AI agent prowess, and you should be ready for companies solely formed of AI agents running multitudes of campaigns and strategies to achieve their goals simultaneously. Runway ML Gen2. Returning to generative AI, the company Runway has announced a significant stride forward with the advent of their Gen 2 model. This cutting-edge technology harnesses the power of Runway's unique stable diffusion technology to generate videos of unparalleled consistency and realism from simple text prompts. Their Gen 1 allowed the manipulation of existing video, but Gen 2, through improved processing, allows the creation of wholly new video content. Although Runway ML Gen 2 is currently under development, its immense potential is already visible through its impressive outputs. It has facilitated the creation of a deeply realistic video featuring a car journeying down a rainy night road, complete with the ethereal glow of headlights. In another equally captivating instance, a man can be seen walking through a forest, the foliage dynamically altering its color in response to his movement. Runway ML Gen 2, despite being in its early stages, is brimming with the potential to reshape the landscape of video creation. Transforming mere textual prompts into realistic, controllable videos, eradicating the need for stock video, animation, and potentially even certain aspects of CGI artists. Whilst eventually these specific skills may not be required, it opens the door to millions of other artists being able to realize their visions more easily and quickly. Gen 2 users have the power to manipulate various elements of the video, from the setting and characters to the actions that unfold, lending a high degree of control to the creator. Using text input, something people are becoming increasingly more versed in with Midjourney and other such tools, video can be manipulated, created, refined, and edited, all by typing out what you would like. As a competitor, Midjourney is a worthy contender, offering another AI platform that transforms text prompts into images. It operates based on its proprietary diffusion model, trained on a massive dataset of images and text. Midjourney distinguishes itself through its simplicity and the strength of its user community. When juxtaposing Runway ML Gen 2 and Midjourney, it is evident that while the former offers superior control and power in crafting ultra-realistic videos from text prompts, the latter shines its ability to create photorealistic images. Should Midjourney expand into the ability to generate videos, the resulting competition would be fascinating to watch. The ultimate choice between these two platforms would largely hinge upon the individual needs and preferences of the user. Despite both Runway ML Gen 2 and Midjourney being under development, they exemplify the transformative potential of generative AI in the domain of visual content creation. These tools enable anyone to create highly realistic, controllable images and videos, completely bypassing the need for expertise in video editing or animation. This unfolding reality brings an array of opportunities for a spectrum of creators, including filmmakers, artists, and beyond, heralding an exciting new era in visual content generation. With the rise of all these new technologies, which are you excited about and are most intrigued by? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tectonic Shift for the latest news in science and technology. See you in the next video.